After passing the bar exams, I was engaged by the biggest sugar association, the Negros Oriental Planters Association. I became the corporate secretary of the association, and one day, out of the blues, some of the board of directors convinced me to join the board. I told them I have no experience in planting sugar, and they all told me, do not worry because we will help you along the way. So that's how I started planting my first 1 hectare of sugar cane. I am Attorney Alejandro Alcantara. I'm the founding chairman of Roe Brown, and our company is situated in Pamplona, Negros Oriental. Well, there was a threat in the entire sugar industry sometime in 2007. It was announced by the President and the Secretary of Agriculture that the Philippine government signed the ASEAN Free Trade Agreement with all members of the ASEAN countries. It was a warning already for us to be competitive, because once you sign an ASEAN Free Trade Agreement, the proper implementation there is all countries will be exporting, importing free of tariff. So in my case, since I worked hard as a lawyer and invested my money in the sugar farm, I was like in a dilemma whether I will sell back my sugar cane lands or develop something that will have an added value to my sugar cane, no? After so much time of pondering, I decided with my family to create my own small sugar mill to produce organic brown sugar. We were lucky that we were assisted by DTI in promoting our products through trade fairs. We started, the first one that we started in 2010, I can remember our first show was under IFEX, the International Food Exhibition in Manila, sponsored by SciTem, no, and DTI. So after that first IFEX, Roe Brown was selected as one of the 10 products in the Philippines to join 2 shows outside the country, like Japan and Korea. So that all started from there, and our market started to come into our company, and we initially started expanding the production from 500 kilos, slowly going up until we reached this point. There are 2 agencies that help us along the way for the last 10 years. Aside from SciTime, we have Export Management Bureau. So we joined international shows all over the world. And we still continue, even during pandemic, through virtual international shows, no? Again, this is through the help of DTI as our marketing arm. I am Alejandro Alcantara from Brown Sugar Milling Company, ato kini.